ate na yan. Oops. Good night, Liling.
Hi guys. I got the toy because
what is that? A Pokemon?
Yeah, what's this
Who
one?
gave you?
And then Daddy.
Daddy?
Look, I got the Pikachu, diba? There's a movie like this. Is this your
Pikachu
favorite
movie?
character? Is this your favorite character?
No. Are you sleeping, Riley?
Click the comment if you know this.
Click the comments.
Click the comment if you know this guy.
Ano click the comments? Where are we going?
We are going to the restaurant.
We're going to Wildflower. Kasi guys, kakabukas lang ng Wildflower dito sa Westgate. Nakakain na kami sa Wildflower before. Sa may BGC, sa may Uptown. So, itatry namin yung ditong branch na bagong open lang. I think 2 weeks ago. And then, after namin mag-Wildflower, dadaan kami ng SNR. May mga bibilhin lang kami na bread, soap, juice, what else? You tell them you miss them. Sabi kasi ni Arya, Mommy, I miss vlogging. Why you're not vlogging anymore? Mommy is so tamad to edit na kasi, anak.
I can edit.
You know how to edit?
Yeah.
Vlogs?
Yeah.
So, ayan, magbabalik vlog na kami ni Ate Arya kasi na-miss niya raw mag-vlog.
We're not vlogging, Mommy.
We're vlogging now.
No.
See? I'm vlogging right now.
No, you're not using a camera.
This is my camera. This is my cellphone camera. Na-miss niya kasi yung camera ko na pang-vlog, yung Canon. Hindi ko na kasi tinadala masyado. Hindi ko na ginagamit. Ito na lang kasi para mas mabilis. Tapos mabilis lang siya i-transfer sa laptop. Yung camera kasi kailangan pa ng mga card opener. Ano yun? Card reader para lang ma-transfer sa laptop. Ito diretso na. Kaya mas madali lang siya i-import. That's our dessert. Cheesecake bibingka for Riley.
Ano ba to?
Cheesecake bibingka.
Cheesecake?
Bibingka cheesecake. Hey, drink water. Sit yummy. Yummy, daddy. Parang hindi ko umiimik. Ate Arya,
And then, mommy.
dito na kami sa SNR, guys. Dito na kami nag-SNR sa Alabang. Kasi malapit na lang naman dito yung Wildflower. Anak, tie your hair. You look blue, ha?
Hi guys, we're going to get some sunscreen. Only 5 sunscreen.
No! Yeah, that's for kids, eh.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah!
Yan, bili na kami ng mga ganito para pang reserva pag nag-beach kami ulit. Let's go, Riley! Who's that, Riley?
Papa Pig is crying.
Papa Pig is crying. That's Peppa Pig. Oh no, Peppa Pig is there. Nakita niya si Pig. Peppa Pig daw.
This one.
What is that? Meron dito, guys, oh. Meron pa dito ng Farcent. Kasi ito inaabangan ko lagi sa sukat. Naka buy one take one pa rin siya. So, sobrang bango nito. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa mga damit nila Arya ngayon. Sobrang bango nito, guys. Promise. $499 lang buy one take one.
You're wasting money.
I'm not wasting money. This is for your clothes.
That's too much.
It's on sale. Ay, hindi pwede. Lahat na kayo nasa pangbaon niya sa school. How about Liling? What do you want?
Get, you want that? Yeah.
Friends flavor.
Hi guys,
We're home.
Hi guys, we're home, and then this is our stuff for our house, guys.
You're so bruha, guys. We're home na. Nakauwi na kami. Si Riley nilagay ko na sa taas kasi nakatulog na siya kanina. Pinipigilan nga namin siya mag-sleep para sabay-sabay na kami matulog. Eh wala. KO na siya. Gusto niya na kaagad matulog. Okay. So, i-hold down ni Ate Arya lahat ng mga ginrocery namin sa SNR. Gustong-gusto niya kasi mag-vlog. Na-miss daw niya mag-vlog. Tapos, ito na. Gamit na namin yung camera namin ulit. Why are you doing that? Show them your teeth muna pala. Show them your teeth. Ayan na. Life update tayo ngayon. Life update. Kasi ang tagal na naming walang vlog. So, ayan guys. Meron ng bungi na si Ate Arya. Bungi. Look at her teeth.
I'm not bungy.
You're bungi na, oh. See?
Yes. But it's
Come on, you smile. Ew. Pinilit niya talagang bunutin yan para daw bigyan siya ng coin ng, ng tooth fairy. Tinago ko naman yun. Nilagay ko sa cabinet. Para paglaki niya, makita niya yung mga ipin na natanggal sa kanya.
Hi guys, this is all our stuff for our house, guys. Actually, our like tabo is ready here, so we buy this two like
We bought this.
tabo. We
Okay.
bought this two tabo, guys.
Nasira na kasi yung tabo namin sa
It's
sa CR. So, bumili kami. Sa SNR, dalawahan kasi siya kaagad. So, ayan. Ilagay na lang namin yung isa dito sa baba. Meron pa pala dito. Etong Chips Ahoy. Chips Ahoy? Etong Chips Ahoy na to, naka-sale din siya kanina. Ang expiration date niya is August. So, from 900. Tama. 900, 450 na lang siya. So, kumuha kami ng dalawa. Pang snacks din ni Ate Arya yan. Tapos, ito naka-buy one, take one na mga muffins. Ang tagal kasi, ate. Tapos, ito pair. Ayan, yung mga kinakain-kain nila Arya pag nanonood sila ng movie. What else? Come on, you say bye to everybody na. I'm so sleepy.
And then
What else? No more na. Sunscreen. Anong sunscreen?
sunscreen.
Sunscreen.
And then
Sunscreen. Say sunscreen.
sunscreen.
Oh my goodness.
And Mommy,
That's for you. This is for you and Riley. And the other one is for mommy and daddy.
Mommy. Diba, Mommy, we're going to Boracay next year. So
Next year. Anak, matagal pa. Sa June pa.
Sa June 20.
Anong June 20? Sige na, isay, bye-bye na.
Bye pa.
Ito rin pala guys, bumili kami ng Downy tsaka Joy. And And ito yung aming sabon panlaba. Tide with Downy. Bumili pala kami ng bread, guys, sa Wildflower. So, try namin tong Hokkaido cheese loaf. Tapos, bumili si Jeno ng mga croissant. Ayan. Malamang si Arya na naman ang pumili nito. Ayan, guys. Tapos, try namin tong Hokkaido cheese loaf. Mukhang masarap eh. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Mahulog ka dyan sa sa lamesa.
I'll get down.
What else do you wanna say to everybody, to your
See you next time.
subscribers? See you next time. What else?
Bye.
Come on, you say something.
Clip the comment if you know us. If you know our mommy and daddy's name. Click the comment.
Click the like and notification bell. Aba, gumagano. Kasi sa napapanood niya yun sa... Kaya na-miss niya mag-vlog. Kasi sa mga napapanood niya sa YouTube ay mga ganyan. Comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
See you on our next vlog, guys. Good
Bye.
night. Sleep ka na, ha?
No.
Come on, sleep ka na.
I want to watch a movie.
Pumayat pala si Arya, guys. Kung mapapansin nyo, pumayat na siya. Kasi hindi na siya nagmi-milk. Hindi na nagdedede si Ate Arya. Good job. Kasi sinasabi ko, 5 years old na siya and magsi 6 years old na siya. So, dapat hindi na siya nagdedede. Dapat si Riley na lang ang nagdedede. Kasi si Riley is still a baby, no?
Yeah.
Kaya ayan, pumayat siya. Kasi hindi na siya nagdedede ngayon. Pero nagmi-milk pa rin siya. Yung fresh milk sa cup na. Tapos para makakain siya ng marami. Bye, guys. See you on our next vlog. Good night.
See you next time. See you in our next vlog. Click the